Yes, guys, I'm cooking some steamed cabbage. I'm gonna add some more water to this. Run out of space. I want you guys to see it properly. This cabbage is easy to steam, guys. This one is easy to steam. I'm going to be adding my seasoning, guys. I have thyme, tomato, carrot, onion, sweet pepper. Some people call them bell pepper here, and scotch bonnet pepper and garlic. Okay, break this one up. Let's break up my thyme. I wanted to take off this part here, which is garbage. I'm gonna bring it down a bit low. You guys can see it better. I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna add just a little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit, guys, not much. I'm gonna give it some more heat. I'm gonna allow this to steam at least another 10 minutes and it's good. I'm gonna be adding some black pepper. Yeah. Gonna add some more water. Yeah. clean up your surrounding, guys, after, because I'm almost there. Oh, shit. Guys, it smells so good. One more thing, I'm forgetting my salt. Can I turn it down a bit? I don't want to blast the stove. I don't want to cook good. The time and simmer. Just guys. A little bit more time, guys. I give it some more heat. Guys, I want you guys to zoom in. It's looking very nice. Yeah, man, and delicious too. This is the way to go. 2025. Fruits and vegetables, guys. This is the way to go. Let your fruits and your vegetables be your medicine. Yeah, man. 2025. Yes, guys, it is finished now. Yeah, man, camera finished, man. Well, guys, I will be having lunch now. I have a light breakfast this morning, so this is my lunch. Yes, guys, I want you to see it. Yeah, man, delicious. This is tomorrow lunch. And thanks for watching, guys. I need my fork now. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Yeah, man. I'm gonna eat healthy, guys. Have a great day. Bye.